Welcome back to another video of a driving school. Today we are going to cover another driving test route from Huddersfield Test Centre. So let's go. Please follow. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon button for the next upcoming video. So as I'm driving out of the test centre through the green gates, I'm going to turn right. Slow down, look both sides, and I continue. Going to turn next left. Turn left here as well. As we are going down on this road, remember you have to give way to the oncoming traffic. At the moment there's nothing coming, so I'll just continue with the drive. I can see there's a bus, but the bus is stopped at the bus stop, so I don't need to stop for the bus. I can carry on. We look on the left side, I'm approaching a roundabout, so I am going straight ahead at this roundabout. I don't need to signal. Do need to look to the right side. There's nothing oncoming, so I continue with the drive. Approaching the traffic lights, I am going straight ahead at the traffic lights. Approaching the pedestrian crossing, scan both sides of the road. If it's clear, you continue with the steady speed, but be ready to stop in any situation. As when you are stationary, make sure when you are stopped behind the cars, you should be able to see the tires and the road underneath the car, or you can say the bumper of the car. And if it's a bigger vehicle, then it's tire and the tarmac. At the traffic lights, I am going to turn right. So mirror check, center mirror right, mirror signal right. Look out for the oncoming traffic. There's oncoming traffic, so I'll stop here. After this car, continue with the turn. See, an oncoming car, even though the cars are parked on their side, is now stopping, so I'll slow down, let the car go, and I'll continue. You have to be very careful, guys. Even though the cars are parked on the other side here, sometimes people do not stop and give you way. So you have to be ready to stop in that situation and be ready to give way. If we look on the speed limit sign on this road we are approaching, it's changing to 40 miles. So pick up speed. As you can see on the signboard is a double bend. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to position my car slightly to the right side and slow down and take the turn. Same thing here. Position the car slightly to the left and slow down. On this particular road, yes, the speed limit is 40 miles, but you do not have to go at 40 miles on the bends. Whenever you approach the bends, you slow down and you reduce the speed to take a safe turn. When the road is clear and is a straight road, that's when you pick up the speed and get to the 40 mile limit. So now I've got a little straight road, so I'm going to pick up the speed, try to get to the 40 mile. Now I'm approaching the bend again, so I'll start slowing down. This particular bend is a very sharp bend, so make sure you reduce your speed down to like between 15 and 20 miles to take a safe turn. On this bend you can expect the cars to be in the middle of the road as well, so if you need to slow down even more, you can do that, and the examiner expects you to do that as well, because they want to say you drive safe, not competitive. Now I have a straight road, so now I make sure I get to the 40 miles an hour road, speed limit. And remember guys, a lot of people ask if the road is clear, can we drive 35, 34, 35 on a 40-mile road? The answer is no. If the road is clear and you have no obstructions in front of you, you have to get to the speed limit, which is 40 miles on the road. Look at the speed limit. If you look at the signboard on the left, as we are approaching the end of the road, it says stop. We are going to turn left here. Get to the solid white line and stop. The road is clear, but I am stopped here. Right, there's a car coming now. After this car, I have stopped for a few seconds. Now I can carry on driving. Could be asked to turn right here, immediate right. So I'm going to turn right, position my car into the box, and I take the right turn. Now we enter the 30-mile speed limit. At this junction, I'm going to turn right, give way, make sure you check both sides, can continue. If you look at the signboard on the left side or the right side, is the white circle with a black line in, that's the national speed limit. Is a singular dual carriageway. So on this, sorry, it's a single carriageway. On single carriageway it's 50 miles. So make sure you try to get to 50 miles. You can see cyclists in front of me. I need to give them about 1.5 meter to 2 meter gap. Do that and I overtake them, and I come back to my side again. As soon as I overtook, going past the cyclist, move back to your side. Look at the speed limit sign approaching the end of the road. It says 50 miles, turning left here. Check the right side, make sure it's safe, and I'll pick up speed. As soon as I move up to the road, look at the speed limit sign again. Now, national speed limit. This is the dual carriageway, and on the dual carriageway, the national speed limit is 60 miles. So make sure you hit that 60 mark. Get close to 60 miles. And on a fast moving road, if you don't know how to turn or how to position, make sure you position your car into the middle of the road, and when you get into the middle of the bend, you slightly follow the bend only. You don't turn the car, just slightly follow the bend. On this particular bend, I'm going to start slowing down because it's a quite sharp bend. Reduce my speed to about 35, 36 miles an hour. As I'm going around the bend, I see far ahead another speed limit sign of 30, so I reduced my speed down to 30 miles before I enter the 30 mile zone. You can see parked car on my side, and I see oncoming cars. Scan the road. If it's big enough, you carry on, leave 1 meter room for the cars, and continue. At this traffic light, I am going to turn right. So check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. On this junction, guys, the oncoming cars have priority. So make sure you give way to the oncoming cars. So go forward slowly and stop in the middle of the road. I'm looking at the red car behind this white car. Now it's clear. I can take the turn and continue. The reason I was looking at the red car was the white car was signaling to turn right. So that is not obstructing that is going different direction. So I shouldn't be worried about that. Should be worried about the cars behind him that are going straight or turning left, because I have to give priority to them now. This is a 30 mile road, so make sure you get to 30 miles. That's the last speed limit sign. That's what we saw. Far ahead, I can see speed limit sign for 40 miles, so I pick up my speed and get to the 40 mark now. You can see the sign on the left. I'm approaching Roundabout, so I'm turning right, taking the third exit of the Roundabout. I'll check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. I'll position my car into the right lane and slow down. The right side is clear, so continue. Now stay away from the curb. Nice and easy, keep steady speed and hold the turn. Don't overturn the car. Check center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and position my car into the left lane. You can see the car spot on left lane. Check center mirror, right mirror, slightly move out to the right side, and now back to my left side again, and I'll pick up my speed to 40 miles now. the other roundabout, so I'm going to take the second exit going straight ahead. So slow down, check my right side is all clear, keeping the left lane nice and easy, nice and steady, mirror check, signal left, and take the exit. Now pick up speed to 40 miles again. Coming off this dual carriageway, turning left, mirror check, signal left, slow down, come off the slip road and start slowing down. As you can see, I'm into 30 mile zone now, so I'll slow down to 30 miles. Going to turn right at the mini roundabout, so mirror check, signal right. Check the right side is all clear and take the turn. As I'm going around this road, there's cars parked on the left side, so I have to be aware of the oncoming traffic because I have to give priority to them. At the moment, as you can see, there's no oncoming cars, so I position my car in the right lane, leaving enough room for the parked cars, and I carry on driving. After the last parked car on the left, I check center mirror, left mirror, and I move back into my left lane. Turning left here, mirror check, signal left. As I'm approaching, look to the right side. After this car, it's all clear, so I take the turn. Turning next right, mirror check, signal right. Look for the oncoming cars. There's no oncoming cars, so I continue with the turn. Turning right back into the test center, mirror check, signal right. Again, look for the oncoming car. If there's no oncoming car, take the turn into the test center car park. Turn left into the green gates. And then pull up on the left side somewhere near the fence. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. If you have enjoyed the video and if this video has helped you to get to know the test route, please do give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon button for next upcoming video. I hope this video helps you with the test and hope you pass your test, and good luck. Thank you.